Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Today, I have a package that arrived from Makeup Geek. And what is in here is, I believe I ordered 3 of the $10 surprise palette or eyeshadow set. Yeah, and so I don't know exactly what's in there, but I know I watched Just Jessica. Yeah, I watched her unbox hers and do a look with it. So I decided to go ahead and order it. And so let's see what's in there. And if you're interested in seeing, please stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I'm back. I feel like I've been running a marathon today. And if this is your first time here, welcome. And I always forget to say that, so I have to really remind myself. And if you're interested in this type of content, which is unboxings, makeup tutorials, get ready with me, and any other lifestyle type of forums, please feel free to subscribe. And please ring that bell button and connect. Yeah, click all so that way my gosh, I should edit all this out, but I'm not going to because this is real life. Anyway, so select all so you know every time I upload a new video. Okay, now let's get it going here. So I'm going to open this box and look and see what's in it because at this point, I don't recall. And all I know is it was $10 for each. I bought 3. They come with, I think, 9 eyeshadow singles, 2 containers, that holds 4 each, and a cheek or contour. I think that's what it was. At least that's what Just Jessica got. So let's jump in and find out, shall we? Okay. And I hope you guys have been doing good. I am really discombobulated with all these spring sales going on. So it's been kind of crazy. So okay, oops, that's my receipt. So I put it aside. Okay. All right, it comes like this. I think it's all wrapped up in tissue. And whoa, look at all those eyeshadows. Each of these bundles are eyeshadows. Oh my gosh, look at this bundle of eyeshadows. Look at this. And each of these, this cost me $30, guys, for all of this. And so, yeah, Casey, if you're watching, quit going on that site. What is that you go to? Wish. Quit ordering through Wish and do something like this. And look at all these empty palettes that you can put your eyeshadows into. And each has space for 4. So, yeah, that's that. And so, is that it? Yeah, okay. They all look like the same size. So, where are my cheek colors at? Okay, it's okay. All right. And so, like I said, all of this was $30 total. Each bundle plus 2 of these are $10. And so I bought 3 of them, and I don't know if I'm going to have repeats, and if I do, it's okay because I will go ahead and put it in the giveaway specifically because I just reached 550 subscribers, and I really want to thank you guys. Thank you so much. And for continuing to support me. And those of you who come day in and day out every day and just at least give me a heart to say, I'm thinking about you. Thank you so much. I do really appreciate it. And the only way for me to pay you guys back is to go ahead and have these giveaways and, continue to create good content so you guys do benefit from it because that is my goal, is to create good content that's beneficial to you. Okay? And at the same time, I really enjoy it. So anyway, okay. Yeah, I will go ahead and start the giveaway. Yeah, why not start it on this video? So please do like this video. And also, please be a subscriber. And please make sure I can see you as a subscriber, okay? And also, I'll tell you later on what word to put in the comments, okay? And at the first bundle here, wow, okay. Take a look. It looks like a metallic. And this color is called Solo. That's one. And the next one is a matte, which, oh, I love this. It's called Latte, and this is great for transition color. And then the third one is called what is it? Nostalgic. And this is also a shimmer. Nostalgic. Wow, these are great colors. I think I did good. And the next one is a matte again. And this is called Sand Dollar. Oh, okay. So far, loving it. Another shimmer. And this is called Tinseltown. Okay. And this may be a repeat, I think, maybe. No, actually, it's not. It looked like. But, oh, this is Stardust. It's a shimmer. The first one was a matte. This one is a shimmer. And then the next one is another matte in a color that I really love. And this is called Burlesque. Okay. And next one is a nice V, outer V color. It's called Bottom Line. And, oh, this is really, really, really shiny. I like it. And this is like a silver, and it's called Silver Lining. Okay, everything has a silver lining, guys. Okay, and there it is. And the next one is a pressed, okay, this is called So Pale, but this is like a yellow color, which is perfect for me. And it's a matte. And this one looks like the same So Pale, but this is called Artemis, and it actually it's a satin. So beautiful. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And none of them are cheek colors, which is interesting because I guess they might have run out of cheek colors, but that's okay. And then I got 2 of the magnetic pans that holds actually 4 of these. And so, you see? And so that's that. And then there's, I will go ahead and put 4 here and 4 here because I got 2 of them. That's 8. I have 3 extra ones and I have a Z palette, so I'll go ahead and do that. So yeah, that's that. And let me see. Hold on 1 minute. I got to get a box and cap. Okay, the next bundle of 10. Let's see if I have any repeats. I mean, sometimes they do send repeats, and you know, if that's the case, I'll just pack the whole thing away. But let's see. Well, the first one is a matte, and this is a repeat. This is Latte. I've already seen that one. I think this might all be repeats. Sand Dollar, also a repeat. Okay, so that one's going. This is not a repeat, and this is called, let's see, leaving so soon. leaving so soon. That is not a duplicate. So, and the next one here is called Dreamsicle, and this is also not a duplicate. And this one here is called Tinseltown, and this is actually a duplicate. Okay. And next one here is Mirror, also not a duplicate. And, ooh, I like this color. This is not a duplicate at all. Let's see. This is called Sorcery, and look at that. Beautiful. Not a duplicate. And, oh, this one's also very pretty. It's called Autumn Breeze, not a duplicate either. And this one is called Stardust, definitely a duplicate. And this one here is called Crossfire. Ooh, this is a beautiful shimmer. Not a duplicate. And this one here is called Rehearsal. Again, not a duplicate. So far I have, out of this bunch, I only have 4 duplicates. And so I'm going to go ahead, and that's enough to make 1 palette. But these are all neutral colors, so I'm going to probably look for another 10 here, and then I'll go ahead and put together a palette. So hold on 1 minute. Okay, the last bundle. Man, you guys, this was a great deal. It was $10 for 2 empty palettes and these. I should have gotten more, actually. Yeah, if I would have thought about it. Yep. And so here's the last 10. And I didn't get any cheek colors, which is weird. But that's okay, though, because I'm not big on cheek colors. So, okay, this is Solo. I can make something out of this one. This one is a duplicate. Pretty. This is, again, Latte. Another duplicate. And this is Nostalgia. Again, a duplicate. Okay, and this one is, again, Sand Dollar. A duplicate. And I think this might be all duplicates now. Tinseltown, a duplicate. And Stardust, again a duplicate. I think that this one may be all duplicates. And this is Burlesque, again duplicate. And this one here is Bottom Line, and this one is not a duplicate. And let's see, Silver Lining. This is the beautiful one, duplicate. And so this here is So Pale, again duplicate. And this one is Artemis, duplicate. So out of this, 10 was duplicate, only 1 non-duplicate, which is okay. So this gives me an opportunity to put together several palettes for the giveaways, different giveaways. So I don't need to throw it all in there. And so, yeah, but this will be in the giveaway. But I will also add other things, and you guys know that. And, you know, I make it worth your while. And let's use the word duplicate. Duplicate. D-U-P-L-I-C-A-T-E. Please use it in a sentence. Please do not just put duplicate and enter me. Please don't do that, because I want people to watch the video to the end, so that way, you know, those of you who are watching it, I mean, you guys deserve to win, okay? So I don't want somebody just see, you know, duplicate and just write it on and not even watch the video. So please like and subscribe and use the word duplicate in the comments below, okay? And let's see, I have 550 exactly right now, and I need to make sure that I hold on to 550. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this giveaway go minimum at a week and maybe 2 weeks, because we're getting close to Ramadan. And so, and I'm kind of busy around that time because I do have to, you know, spend my days worshiping all day and fasting and all that. So I'm trying to get a lot of these videos uploaded ahead of time, so that way, yeah, you guys have something to watch. And so, yeah, my beautiful wildflowers, let me know what you thought. And please let me know what you thought about the deal. It's a heck of a deal. I mean, you know, I knew that I was going to get duplicates. That's why I ordered 3 of them. And so, but I'm glad I was able to get, I think there's like, what is it, 13 total duplicates. So that's okay, because these can go to you guys, okay? So, my beautiful wildflowers, if I added value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you're interested in entering and winning the goodies, please do subscribe. And if you have any questions or if you have any comments, please put it below. So, okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I hope you have a good day, good night, good week, good weekend, whenever you're watching this. But just remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.